Your risk of COVID-19 turning severe. So if you're at high risk and test positive, there are things you can do, like asking your healthcare provider if it helps.
And as soon as they get a home, they will shove as bridge over to the waterfront. So on northbound 295, Blue Flame, and north of Anacostia Bowling to the 11th Street Bridge. Late to clear out on Suitland Parkway from Branch Avenue across the Douglas Bridge. Interloop of the Beltway slow from St. Barnabas Road to the Woodrow Wilson Bridge, and still bumper to bumper into northeast on 50 and the BWD Parkway from 202 down onto New York Avenue with the roadwork just after the Anacostia in the left lane. Everything is just peachy at Whole Foods Market. Get organic yellow and white peaches for $3.29 a pound with Prime through June 13th. Shop in store or online. Terms apply. I'm Robert Workman, WYCB Traffic.
Stay true to your spirit on WYCB.
I don't want a form of godliness.
It's so important for us as Catholics to really understand the spiritual, the historical nature, what the early church fathers also taught about.
De un programa multiestatal del límite de intercambio de emisiones de carbón.
There are no exceptions. Each and every one of you has a role to play.
Enfermedad es un estado natural.
The bottom line, he's 38 years of age, one of the greatest point guards in NBA history. He's got to be in President Obama, and you never will, because it flies against the block away. I don't want to be outside in this haze. How is the air quality there in Nashville? I have a feeling it's probably just fine. Are you sniffing the air?
No, it's definitely hazy. Like, you can tell that something's going on. I didn't know it was the wildfires until like yesterday when I read the news. But still, our air quality is not great, but it's not terrible. Like, it's not preventing me from doing anything, but it's definitely there.
Okay, very good. Well, Chelsea, good luck to you today. I'm ready for you to get on the right side. So am I. That's coming up in just moments. But don't forget, next on HQL Daily, Alex Smith, co-host of the Ice Guys, will talk about the Stanley Cup Finals. We have not forgotten about the Golden Knights and the Panthers with the series shifting back to sunrise. And if you missed our great conversation with Holden Kushner on the NBA Finals, Holden doing a great job there. And what he has to say about the Nuggets and the Heat coming up in tomorrow night's Game 4. You can download and subscribe to the Daily Tip wherever you get your podcast. We always have you covered. Time now to win you some money. Let's find out our favorite plays of the day.
Time to place your bets.
All right, Joseph. Once again, I see your card shifting as we're speaking. I never know what to expect. It's the roll of the dice. You have one play, two plays, bring 'em.
Yeah, go ahead and slap the Surgeon General's warning on the bets. They've been ice cold, so please be careful if you're tailing me. All right, the best bet of the day for me is going to be the first 5 under 5 between the Diamondbacks and the Washington Nationals, parlaying off of 2 pretty solid pitchers. I know nobody's talking about Merrill Kelly being a good pitcher, but quietly over his last 7 games, 6-0 with a 2.44 ERA. So I think you can shut down the Nats bats at least in the first 5.